Welcome to my comprehensive review of IXACT CRM, a specialized platform designed to cater to real estate professionals looking to streamline their operations. Whether you're managing your client relationships, planning your marketing campaigns, or keeping track of leads, IXACT CRM promises to deliver a seamless experience. Today, we'll dive deep into its features, usability, pricing, and overall value. As soon as you log into IXACT CRM, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. The layout prioritizes ease of navigation, with sections for contacts, calendar, email marketing, and lead tracking prominently displayed. One of its standout features is its ability to organize and manage your client database effectively. You can categorize contacts, add custom notes, and even set reminders for follow-ups, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Moving on to email marketing, IXACT CRM shines with its built-in email campaign tools. It offers customizable templates tailored for real estate professionals, making it simple to design and send professional newsletters and promotional content. The analytics feature is particularly useful, providing insights into open rates and click-through rates, helping you refine your strategies for maximum impact. The platform's lead tracking functionality integrates seamlessly with its other features. IXACT CRM enables you to capture leads from your website or other sources automatically, ensuring no potential client slips through the cracks. Combined with its task and appointment scheduling tools, the CRM provides a holistic approach to managing your daily operations efficiently. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching this review. A major highlight of IXACT CRM is its mobile compatibility. The mobile app replicates most of the desktop functionalities, allowing you to manage your business on the go. Whether you're out meeting clients or attending property showings, you'll have all the essential tools at your fingertips. When it comes to pricing, IXACT CRM offers a straightforward structure with no hidden fees. The cost is competitive for the features it provides, and there's even a free trial option, so you can test its capabilities before making a commitment. Customer support is another area where IXACT CRM excels. They provide multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and phone support. The comprehensive knowledge base is a helpful resource for troubleshooting and learning more about the platform's features. Overall, IXACT CRM is a robust solution for real estate agents and brokers who want to enhance their productivity and client relationships. Its combination of user-friendly design, powerful tools, and reliable support makes it a standout choice in a competitive CRM market. Thank you for watching this review of IXACT CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and insights into tools that can elevate your business. See you in the next video.